What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. I appreciate all you guys that supported me and actually subscribed, I should say, and support. I made it 200. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. That's pretty huge to me. I know it's not a lot to a lot of the YouTubers out there or anybody else, but to me that's a lot. I got 200 people that are rocking with me, the family, Pristine Works. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Today or sometime today, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I got a wrap done, or I got some wrap so I could do my sun visor and the roof of my truck. I don't know if I showed you guys, but the roof of my truck has like that sun damage, so like discoloration, so like patches of like little white. I'll show you guys when I got the car, but it's like little circles, like little patches. I guess it's the clear coat that came off of the car because of the sun. The car just sitting outside in the sun for so long, not getting cured or maintained, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I bought I think it's stealth black wrap for the roof, and I'm actually gonna use a piece of it to do my sun visor. Once I get that done, or once I start doing it, I am gonna vlog. I'll let you guys know what's going on. But yo, the weather today and yesterday, come on, we're in Canada. This is unexpected. Actually, no, it's not unexpected. This is what I kind of grew up on weather. Not really, I'm lying to you guys. It was kind of cold in November. Actually, yeah, it was kind of cold in November. It wasn't that bad, but I'm not complaining. Ooh, you hear that, guys? I don't know if you guys heard that off the music. Sorry, that was a banger. You hear that squealing noise? Listen, that's why we're here. Checking on my homie Nick the mechanic. Let's get this done, you know. Got the brakes here. This is a continuation from the last little clip that I did. I apologize, guys. I've been very lazy lately, but I am gonna pick it up. I guess it's this weather, yo. Canadian weather gets you upside down, you know what I mean? But we are going to do the sun visor, wrap it. I have the material over at my house. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the material, fly over to my dad's, and we'll get this thing done. But in the meantime, yeah, put in some brakes. Shout out to the mechanic over there. Yo, shit, camera's on. Oh man, yo, you see how I'm blacking out everything though?
Yup.
Yo, I'm searching for some tires for this truck, bro. Everyone's telling me 750.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah, because of the size. No, I didn't.
Bellamy and Ellesmere?
Oh yes. That's the guy I went. Brown guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to go check him first. 750. There's two guys there. One guy said he couldn't get them. The second guy told me he could get them 750, but there's only one set available right now.
Yeah. That's brand new.
Yeah, but I was like, yeah, that's brand new. But I'm like, yo, I went online. I found what is it, mud terrains?
Yeah.
My size. A guy wants like 4 bills for them. So I don't know if they're good tires.
He just probably wants them gone. He probably has no use for them.
Right? We're gonna get this up in the air. Once we get up in the air, we'll try to go step by step. Yo, this is the homie, bro. You already know who this is. You seen him before on the vlog, on the channel, I should say. Ain't nothing new.
These steps fold up?
No. If they, oh, okay. Extended. I kind of want to relocate the resonator, put the resonator where the muffler is, and just have a tip going out.
You have a muffler. That's why you have. You could just cut the muffler.
That's the muffler there, isn't it? That box?
This is the resonator.
Oh, that's the resonator. The back is the muffler. That's a resonator? I thought this was the muffler.
Silencer. Resonator's always before the
Uh-huh,
muffler.
yeah, that is true.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that bad underneath here. I need to do underbody coat.
Yeah.
Freaking
Get the oil one. That's the one I recommend.
the oil.
Yeah, don't get that black spray on shit.
Ah!
I'm going up.
Could try to kill me, yo. Y'all seen that? This heavy old truck would have dropped out. Y'all wouldn't see me no more.
Oh boy.
Oh, whoa. Oh, I don't like that old boy. Right there? What is that?
Oil coming from right here.
What is that?
Hold on, let's just hope it's not coming on the inside. No, you're good. You're lucky.
Well, that's my.
You have an oil pan leak.
Oh.
Oil pan's leaking.
Oh.
Yes, job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really?
Oil pan's leaking. Your power you fixed the power steering yet, or
No, I didn't even fix that.
is it still leaking?
I don't know.
Was it leaking? No, it was the oil leak we were looking at last time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My thing belt
the
came
oil.
off for the AC.
Who cares?
I want to get another one, bro. I just need it. I want it. I think it's necessary. I don't know. I'm paranoid.
You don't need it right now.
I know. So oil pan, right?
Yeah, the oil pan gas is
Dang.
leaking, but it's a big job.
Is it?
You have to drop this.
The
Well,
subframe?
it's big, but it's not that big. Because you have to move this,
Mm-hmm.
which is the front transfer case.
Front transfer case.
Uh-huh. And then you have to drop this bar here and remove the sway bar. And you'll find after that.
I want to do my bushes and stuff too.
Sway bar bushings?
Yeah.
So you should do all that at one time because you have to loosen it.
Alright.
So drop it all at one time. I
Alright.
was just hoping that it wasn't the rear main seal.
Okay, good. That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Rear main
If it was
seal,
the rear main seal.
you either have to drop the transmission or drop the engine.
Okay.
And one's gonna be easier, which would on this it would be the transmission.
I don't know how my thing started to crack like that, bro. I know.
What's cracked?
It was probably like that from before.
What?
Oil pan?
No, it's leaking. The gasket's leaking.
Oh, the gasket's leaking.
Yeah, these
So
are
it's not
aluminum
cracked.
Oil pan. These are fucking hard to crack.
Okay.
It's the gasket that's leaking.
Okay, okay.
And that's probably why the guy probably got the price and said, fuck it, I'm not doing that shit.
He bought this for no reason. It was sitting there. He bought it for the wife. The wife didn't want it. So I'm like, yo, I'll take that. He had it up for like $5,000.
Yeah.
I talked him down to 25. I'm like, I'm not paying $5,000, bro. Like, sorry. Another thing, I have to do my freaking, my shocks here, yo. This is bad.
Shocks.
Cause yo, every time we go, every bump I'm hitting,
Yeah.
you can see
And
it,
it's
right?
the front, it's probably the absorber itself. It looks dried out. Like it already done leaked and just nothing left.
Nothing left. So it's just hitting my spring, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
That's alright. Those are cheap. I bought the back ones for like $2 or something like that. Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon special, yeah. So that, yeah, that side right there. You see how that side?
Yeah,
Not
that's
brand
the
new.
one the shock, the spring came out, right?
This is the one where the spring came out. Look at my job, bro. I'm like Nick. You know, when I called you, this thing was leaning. It was like that. I'm like, how the hell am I gonna freaking do this now? Freaking look, I have to zip tie this up.
20 million times easier on the fucking horse.
Freaking, I wanted to do the other side, and you told me no because I could not get this spring out.
Don't touch it.
Yo,
Bro.
ass chop. I was so frustrated. Oh my gosh! You guys go back into the video
So now you
and
see
check
how
that
you
out.
did that.
Yeah,
Imagine doing a leaf spring
yeah, no,
on the floor.
no.
And it took me
You know the.
a whole day to do it. And you know what the guy had the nerve to tell me? Why did it take you all day?
Yo, listen. I was gonna do that. Remember my Dodge Ram I had, that beige one? I was gonna do the same thing. I'm like, yo, I don't know. I don't even want to mess with this. I was literally gonna take like 1 leaf or 2 leaf springs off so I could drop the back. and just get coils in the front. You know, something simple. Nah, bro. All right, so yo, I should I should just cut off the muffler. So I'm gonna order one then.
Yeah.
That is a gigantic resonator. But she still sounds good though.
Yeah.
Still got a nice little grumble to it.
Why they make them like that?
Yeah. I know it's a quick job, but I kind of don't want to do it on my dad's driveway. It was raining. I'm like, yo, I hope Nick's not busy right now. Please help me out. Help me, please. First step, guys. You gotta plug in your what is it called again? Your bump.
Yo, honestly, right now, I'm trying to build one too, and I'm getting a shot by next year.
Yeah? Let me know what's up, yo.
What the fuck? It's not a 19?
Nah, I think it's like a 20, 22 or something like that.
Oh, because the cap is off.
Yeah.
We tried the 22, the 22 didn't fit.
Oh. I don't know. Yeah, because these come with the plastic cap over them, right?
Has the plastic cap over it. So when you take off the plastic cap, it goes down the size.
Oh. Oh, really? So it's down to like what? Like Honda size?
It's a 21.
21s? That's Mercedes.
It's 22.
Oh, sorry. Headphone user. Yo, you think I should take this to Unc?
Huh?
I should take this to Unc, eh? Make him see his body.
The cord. Remember his son's burgundy
Oh,
cord?
yeah?
Yeah.
Dad, I'm looking for something like that. I want to track something like that. That's what I want to do.
Which brakes is done?
Fronts.
Huh?
The
But you
fronts.
said back.
No, my fronts are done. I need to do the backs.
No, the back looks good.
Nah,
You
bro.
said you heard the noise in the back.
I did. It's part of the next side then.
So which ones did you buy, the front or the back?
I bought the backs. The pads. I say just change them anyways. Yeah?
Okay, let me look at the other side first. If the other side needs to change, then we'll change both.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm hearing the noise. I ain't tripping.
This
I know I'm getting old, but I ain't tripping. I think. So what's these? It's these bolts here, right? 1 and 2. These 2 bolts right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but do you think? It's like my suspension back here sounds so rough.
Huh?
I said my suspension back here sounds rough. Why does my bag look like that? As if there's no air in it.
Because it's up in the air.
Does this side looks like that too?
Uh-huh. Because it's up in the air. You won't feel the air in there.
I think I gotta fix that because I don't even hear my compressor turn on.
Okay. But it doesn't sit low.
No. It sits proper.
Brakes are good.
Yo, nah, bro. Every time I brake, I hear shh. I'm telling you.
You want to change them? We can change them.
Yeah, change them. I'm still gonna give you the 30, bro. I need them changed. I know this is gonna piss me off. I'm telling you. Yo, watch. When you watch back this video, and you'll hear it. Yo, Nick thinks I'm tripping. I ain't tripping, guys. Please tell me you heard that too. I ain't tripping. I swear. Oh man, I want to get this friggin' undercoat done, yo, but it's just surface rust, right?
Yeah.
I guess that's a good thing. These right here are for suspension too. These were my ladder bars. They call them.
Those ones? Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to just get the suspension riding smooth. You know what I mean? Your mom think if I should do like a custom under tray. Do something like that. Make it a flat bottom.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. Yeah, that'd be fucking sick. What goes here? Is this for my... Yeah. I gotta do my so right up here, the shock tower, it's like rotted out a little bit. I found online. Is
Have
it,
a kit
is
for
it
it?
here or here? It's just like the top piece. So that's what I was asking. Maybe Unks could probably do that, or I'll probably ask Mayu from here. He could probably do it, right?
I started dealing with Unks
More?
again because this guy.
Yeah.
Sometimes he'll do things and then sometimes it's like he doesn't want to do it.
Oh. So if anything, I'll just go to Unks when I get the wide body kit for my Accord. Cause there's a nice little kit I'm getting for it. Ah, dang. Yep. You guys heard it. Hopefully I can bleep that out. No.
This has some extra.
That's a oh.
Let's hope. It just had extra oil in there. All at once.
Please. But yeah. Motorama. Motorama. Yeah, so fairly simple, guys. 2 bolts. As you see what he did, he slid it right off. And it just popped right out.
Go pump the brakes. Well, it's gonna feel soft for a little bit.
For a second, right?
Go hard. But I don't know if it's gonna go hard or it's gonna stay soft.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Nah, it goes hard.
Got it?
It goes hard.
You're holding it down?
Yeah.
And you're not losing no pressure?
Nah.
Now start it and do that. Oh, they close it down. Are you losing pressure?
No.
It's not soft?
No.
Alright, you're good to go. Dodge the bullet.
Dodge the bullet. I know. Oh. Watch your phone. Your phone's right here. Your phone's right here. Yes, people. Nick Mechanic fixed it. Shout out to you, Nick. I'm gonna leave your Instagram right here below, somewhere on the screen. Well, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. There he is right there. That's the guy right there. But yeah, she's done. Right now, I'm gonna head over to my dad's, pick something up, check on Victoria, see how she's doing. And who knows, we'll see what happens tonight. We'll see what happens. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. Until next time, y'all.